What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today got the Losi LMT grade digger. Starting on the outside of the box, it comes with the Spectrum Firmer 130 amp ESC, and it comes with the Spectrum Firmer 3150 kV motor 4-pole brushless, adjustable servo servo. I can't see what kind of servo that is on the outside of the box. It's not really saying. You got the DX3 transmitter. It's a pretty good transmitter. Come with LEDs in the front. It come with solid axles, front and rear. Now let's take it out the box. Here she go outside of the box. Look good. But let's go into the little bag right here. You get a bag full of goodies. You got the user's manual. You got body mounts, so you can change up the body. You get a sticker. I think this is a sticker. You get the Losi sticker. You get one stickers. I don't know why they just got one pack of stickers in there. In this little bag, you get, an extra. I don't know what this stuff is. I just know this is the body mounts. Take this plastic off the car, see what it looked like. Let's take a closer look at the body. Nice body art on there. I don't know why this is bent in like that. Got the driver inside. You can see the driver inside. Here go the wire for the LEDs. It snaps on and off. Go to battery tray inside. They go to ESC, the 130 amp ESC. And I don't know if you can see the motor. You got sway bars, front and rear. Adjustable shocks. Let's see what kind of servo this is. Oh, it's a Spectrum servo. It comes with a Spectrum servo. Here go the adjustable servo saver. Which I have to adjust the now you can see the motor right there. Got a nice green roll cage. But you also could change the body with these mounts right here. You change the body. You got all the names of the affiliates and sponsors on the side. I like that. I had a Son-Uva Digger, but I have an upgraded battery tray. You can see the battery tray just sits perfectly in here. So you don't really have too many battery options. But I have a 4S battery that can fit in here just fine. But if this is bigger than this, it's not gonna work. There go the DX3 transmitter. This is a good transmitter. You got the steering, neutral, and reverse. You got from 50 to 100. You got the brake rate, steering trim, throttle trim. This car is a monster. I can't wait to get it out. If it drops, because I have the Son-Uva Digger made the same way, but this is brand new. My digger, Son-Uva Digger, wasn't brand new. It was used. It got a 6S system in it, which this car is too much on 6S. 4S is powerful. 6S is really unmanageable. You can barely drive it on 6S. Here go the front with the LEDs. The front of the body with the LEDs. They come with lights. That's the good part. Come with lights in the front. The body is a little flimsy, so I can see you breaking that. Really see that breaking real easy. Tires, I like the tires. It's got some good compound on these tires. Nice and smooth. I'm not gonna do a running video with this today. It's just an unboxings and an overview. Oh damn, the lights ain't on. I'm not gonna do a run of the car. I want to get a shot of it next to the Son-Uva Digger real quick. Let me pull that out. Yeah, here they go both together. I got BKT written on these tires. I'm gonna put this on this too, but this is my wife's car. This is her monster truck, because she liked the grave digger, so she finally went ahead and bought it. This is the true monster right here, Son-Uva Digger. You're gonna have Son-Uva Digger versus grave digger. Mine's a little beat up. Son-Uva Digger's a little beat up, and this is a lot fresher. Well, as always, this is Phillyswords RC. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe. And I'm out.